So we proceed. The literature is information that is lacking, and that is the ground here. We had not put which type of literature we have, so I'm going to select that. So I'll put the overbalance pressure here. I'll use a pressure of 8. I'll use the overbalance, the differential sticking PSI. Here I'm going to use a sticking of okay, it can be up to 200, but I was using lower values, so I will go with lower values. And this stability I'll use again 8. Then we go to the next one. I'll leave it 8, and then 5, and then 8. Then when we come here, I'm going to increase it a bit to 10, and then we have 10, and then 11. Then we can put here again, we can use 12, and then we have 12, then this can be up to we can leave this as 11. So after that we come here and go on calculate. So in calculate we have put in the lower margin of pore pressure, which should be in the range of 0 to 10. So the lower margin can be 2. We can take the highest margin to be 8. So the fracture gradient, we can go with lower margin to be 4 and the higher value to be 9. So click on OK, and then we are done with calculating. So we need to look at the results. So these are the results for the pore pressure, and this is our design, and then this is the blue color is the design constraint upper. This is the fracture gradient, and so basically this one is a short one, and here it ends. So we have the design plot, we have the schematic here, and that's all. Basically there's nothing much with this one. Unless you have any questions, you can either put it manually or you can import from the previous data set that you used. So thank you. We are ending here for casing set.